The world first saw a new pope, but few noticed the quiet kindness that would define his mission.
From Chicago,
This is the story behind his
across
first
the
words.
open sea,
Peace be with
an
you all.
Augustinian brother comes to Rome. He didn't chase a crown, he came to find the hearts. His very first words whispered, "Peace be with you all." Peace, peace for everyone. A gentle father close to every heart, in every step, in every prayer. Leo lights the way with love. He greets the children in the joyful crowd, bends down to listen to their every story.